When it comes to rod and reel setups here for salmon fishing, to me the most important one is your Dipsy Diver setup. And the reason for that is a Dipsy Diver is so versatile. You can fish high in the water column, you can get it down deep, but one tool that really helps you achieve that is using a wire line. This is a 7-strand wire. It's a no stretch line, but it is very thin. It allows it to cut through the water a lot better, especially at speeds. And obviously cutting through that water allows it to achieve depth a lot faster. But most importantly too, having a line counter where you can duplicate depth. Just like crankbaits, a Dipsy Diver achieves this depth based off of how much line you let out. So having obviously a line counter to duplicate that or have any idea where you are is really important. You know, on the Dipsy Diver part of things, it's just simply a disc, but today we're using a number 1 setting for our deeper one, which gets basically straight below the boat, a little bit out, and a number 3 setting which shoots it out to the side. So we kind of spread our lines out towards the bottom of the boat. And so behind the Dipsy Diver is another important tool. This is a snubber. Now this snubber is a cushioning device basically. Other than your rod tip, there's not a lot of give in this setup here. And so having this to cushion the bite, obviously cushion the whole fight throughout. Behind that, I use to me it's a 6-foot length leader material. This is 30-pound leader material, a little bit thinner. Just helps with that bait have a little bit more action when you get back to the paddle here. Obviously we have an 8-inch paddle here, but behind it I use a 50-pound fluorocarbon for a leader material. Obviously that 50-pound is going to allow me to catch fish repeatedly over again without having to worry about if I frayed my line or anything. And so to me, when it comes to a setup of a rod and reel, the most important one that I really focus on is the Dipsy Diver setup because it is so versatile.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.